Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Hello there everyone, welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I thank you so much for tuning in today and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Guys, I am participating today in a collaboration challenge, and the collaboration is hosted by the lovely Thrift Queen. Now, I don't know if you know her channel, but she does some fantastic thrift flips. She does some home decor videos, lots of tablescapes, you name it. And if you don't know her channel, please go over, show her some love, and make sure you click that subscription and notification button. Now, what she asked us to do today was to do a thrift flip, but with a twist. Now, everybody knows what a thrift flip is, but the twist is that, with everything going on right now, what we flip had to be something that we had in our homes already. Obviously, we're not able to go out and buy anything anyway right now, so this is the perfect time for this. So we were to pick an item or whatever it is. She said she didn't care if it was a bag of beans, but we were to get something that we already had in our home and flip it. So guys, I'm showing you right now a little stool that I have had for, I don't even remember how many years. I purchased this some years ago at a local thrift shop, and it was in pretty good shape, so I really didn't do anything to it. I brought it home and cleaned it up, but I've decided that I want to recover it and reupholster it rather, and paint the legs. I just think it would look better. It doesn't really match my decor. I have it again sitting in my bedroom, if I didn't say that. I don't think it matches the decor anymore, so because I've made some changes and changed the colors and all that. So that's what I'll be doing. Now it's a simple flip, but it is a flip. Again, I'm gonna add some new material, change the color of the legs, and I'll shoot some footage of me doing that. And I hope you'll watch the video and stay on to the end. And again, thank you so much, and I'll be right back as I get some materials, get my drill and everything, and I'll shoot some footage of me taking this thing apart. So I'll pause the video for a second while I go get my drill. All right, guys, so I've taken the screws out of the framework that were being used to hold the legs to the padding. So this is going to be, like I said, a real simple flip. So what I'm going to do is take these legs outside and spray paint them, and I'll show you what I'll use. I'm going to use this metallic finish bright coat Rust-Oleum. I think that would look pretty. It'll brighten this thing up. And then I've got some fabric that I'm going to use on the seat. So I'm going to do that off camera. I'm going to take this outside. I'd much rather spray paint outside than inside. It's a lot easier to deal with ventilation and things like that. I'll let the paint dry on this and then come back and screw it on. Now, for the seat cushion, I'm simply going to take my fabric, and I'm going with a simple piece of fabric. I'll show you that in a minute. And there's not going to really be a need for me to take the staples out that are already on here. What I'm going to do, or even remove this, what I'm just going to do is cover this over with a new fabric. So I'm going to pause the video for a minute, get my fabric and my staple gun, and then we will add the fabric to this, and we'll take the legs out and spray paint them. So I will be back. All right, guys, so I have taken the legs outside and given them a quick coating of spray paint. They look good, and while they're drying, I thought I would go ahead and finish recovering the seat part. Now, I'm actually using a piece of material that I also thrifted, and I've just had it in the home here, and I've not used it for anything. Just a nice piece of white flannel, and I'll show you how I've got it on the seat cushion. Now, all I'm going to do, guys, is just tuck this around, and I'm going to go around it with my staple gun here. And then once I have this all stapled down, I'll trim it a little bit. And then once the seat cushion is dry, of course, I'll go out and get that and reattach it. So again, this is a really easy thrift flip. And with your staple gun, all you want to do is, let me stand up so I can put a little pressure. Take your staple gun, line it up. Boom, there you go. So I'm going to go around this whole thing. I don't need to do that on camera. You guys get the idea. Trim it up. And then when the legs are dry, we'll reattach them. But here we go. So real easy. So if you have a little stool or something, or even a dining room chair or something that you want to recover or change, take the seat cushions off, spray paint, you know, the legs, back, all that, and take some fabric that you like, do this with the seat cushion, put it back on, voila, you have new chairs. So I'll finish this off camera, and I'll be back pretty soon with the finished product. All right, guys, I'm back with my finished product. So the legs of the stool were black, and you'll see that I've painted them a nice shiny silver. I've used that paint for several items in my home, and I do like it, and maybe something that you might consider if you haven't used it already. And again, here the brand, I'm going to look around for the paint. This is what it is. It's Rust-Oleum Bright Coat Metallic Finish. All right. Now the material that I used is a piece of some material that I thrifted a while back, and I've just had it here, and I was waiting. I knew at some point I'd use it, and it's just a nice soft white fleece, and that's it. So this is my thrift flip with a twist. Almost couldn't get that out. And again, guys, I want to thank again the host for this collaboration. Her name is Thrift Queen. Please go visit her channel. I have a link down in my description box so that you can go and find her channel easily. Also, I'm going to put a link rather to the playlist in the description box. So please make sure you go down and click that. You'll probably see all kinds of, not probably, I know that you're going to see all kinds of great thrift flips. And again, I just thank you guys so much for watching. That's really all I have today. So again, please feel free to leave me comments on this video. I welcome all of your comments. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And guys, if you're not a member of DIY Design or you don't subscribe to this channel, I hope you'll do that today. And please make sure to hit that notifications bell and tap that thing 2 times. That way you'll be updated every time, or notified rather, every time I add new content to the channel. So again, thank you guys. Have a simply marvelous day. And guys, I hope you are staying safe right now with everything that's happening. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye-bye.